Okay, guys. So, in my last video, I talked about what is the intent of this video. I'm sorry, I didn't know that the screen recording video only allows up to 5 minutes of recording. So now let's directly jump over to the list of stocks that we'll be discussing today. Okay. So the first stock that I feel is one of the biggest stocks or no, biggest stocks in the terms of value investing is HDFC AMC. Of course, everyone knows that there are means mostly two AMC companies, listed companies, HDFC and Nippon AMC. But I think that this being a large cap and HDFC being like an elephant, stock market elephant, so I think this has better chances of doing fairly better in long term. And also, if you look at the US, so what happens is in US the mutual fund industry is now quite mature, and mutual fund industry in India is just starting to grow up, and this particular trend is just going to continue for the next years to come or the next decades to come. So these are the horses which we can really trade on for our long-term value investing. This is my personally take on this one. So if there is an AMC company like HDFC out there, so you should invest in that one for long term, and you should buy it whenever it is at an attractive valuation. Okay, so as of now, I think it is fine to buy at even this level, because anyways we are going to invest for long term only. So our investment horizon will be somewhere between at least 5 to 10 years. The second stock which I feel is very important to discuss here is Muthoot Finance. So Muthoot Finance, the main thing is this is like an NBFC stock, and there's a gold financing platform wherein people can put their gold and get loans based on that gold. And if you look at the overall history of this particular stock, so it has always been giving good returns to its investors, and there are also talks of stock split which might come in few months or maybe a year or so. Means those are all possibilities, but that all might happen. And in this kind of situation wherein the world right now you see is suffering from coronavirus pandemic, and also there are various war-like situations in various countries and things like that. So the best bet what we can play is uh, companies which use this particular model of financing loans, which is gold. So I think Muthoot Finance is one of them. The other ones which I will try to cover is Naukri. So Naukri, you might be knowing that this is like one of the very uh, big companies out there, which is like a market leader in its own industry, and there is actually no competitor for it in it's in the public sector in the domain it operates on, and it has various internal companies or private companies under its bucket, like we know Zomato, we know the real estate firms and various others. So this is also like one of the giants. The other one which I wanted to cover is Crisil. So this is again monopoly business only. The rating agency, which only this company has enjoys the monopoly to do stock rating or mutual fund rating. No other one, no other agency has this power. So of course there is a monopoly stock. So buy whenever it is on dips. Then the other one which I feel is Just Dial. So Just Dial is, I still feel that it is little undervalued. Though the right levels were to buy at around 370, 400 when I also entered, but I also entered recently at 575 levels and all. So the thing is, it has apart from its regular business model, now it has also entered into B2B industry, and this is going to change the game for it. It is a game changer, and it will be comparable to India Mart in coming time, and I think it has the potential to even overthrow India Mart in the long run, because its platform is very unique, and many people are already using Just Dial for B2C purpose, so they can as well adapt to its B2B platform. Okay, the other ones which I personally feel is of course Infosys. These anyways everyone know that Infosys, TCS, LTI, these are one of the very good stocks. But if you have to choose one, then choose Infosys. That is my personal opinion. Then the other one is Happiest Minds. So guys, I have some background from the same space in where Infosys and Happiest Mind operates, and I can tell you from my personal experience that this particular company can be a multi-bagger in the coming time because it works in digital space domain. Means all the clients or all the work which it does is digital. That means come coronavirus, come anything, all the work that it does is into digital space, and digital is the new oil. Okay, or data is the new oil. So this company's whole business model is on the same lines of agile and means using agile workflow and digital work only, means providing digital services to clients. So I think even better than investing into long term for LTI or TCS, the better bet would be Happiest Minds for long term. This is of course a small cap now, but I can truly bet on myself on this particular stock for long term. Then two more stocks which we will talk about. Okay, I have actually two contenders here, but I will give you an option. So you can either go for Tata Steel or you can go for the homegrown Steel Authority of India Limited. This is though it is from the metal industry, but I had entered during the coronavirus time because I knew that mm, our Prime Minister has too much focus on infrastructure, building, and what you say, road and completion, things like that, for which one of the key ingredients is steel. So be it SAIL or be it Tata Steel, both have the chances at least to grow its domestic market very much. So if you don't want to get exposure or you don't want to take the trade war impact, then go for SAIL. But if you think that you are okay to take risk, then you can go for a comparatively bigger company, which is Tata Steel for that matter. And other one which I feel, it is again a small company, but the thing is this is National Mineral Development Corporation of India, and this if you see the currently the buyback also came, and it is at I think 104 rupees price, and currently the stock is trading around 90 rupees. So it is a good stock to buy for long term, because if the current things go, the infrastructure projects and all, so there would be a lot of demand for minerals and all, which this guy can supplement. Okay, so this is my own personal understanding how things goes. Then apart from that, one more or the last stock if I have to put, I will put Manappuram Finance. The reason for putting this is again a majority of the financing which it does is gold, but it also does other type of financing also, which is like you can complement your growth of gold with other ones, like home loans or personal loans or various other type of loans. And this stock has an excellent record of giving bonus, dividend and things like that. So of course these things are like cherry on the top, but I will tell you guys, the companies which consistently give good dividends and good bonus, they actually multiply investors' wealth. Okay, so you should have a few stocks like that. And the last one which I will add, I will not take any more stocks, is Hindustan Zinc. Okay, so this I feel is one of the cash cows for Vedanta, and it always consistently gives good returns from the last 5 years. If you take after it got privatized and things like that, it has been consistently giving rich dividends all through. Okay, cash company, no problem with the balance sheet whatsoever, and there are various complications. Even if Vedanta wants to play a game and wants to make it private, it won't have an easy time going or taking Hindustan Zinc in that particular route. Okay, so for dividends and what do you say, stability, put this stock also. So yeah, I think this is the stock list which I wanted to discuss. So if you guys have these stocks in your list and you are constantly tracking these, so I think over a period of time, you can get very healthy returns. Okay. So yeah, that's all I think from my side. Thank you guys. I am just a regular stock market enthusiast like you, and this is my understanding. So all views are personal, but if you like, then please like, comment, share with your fellow people who wants to learn like us. And this is free. I will never ask for any paid service because I am also learning like you. I am not a very trader or professional like that. I'm just a regular guy who learned stock market investing through myself and through various channels like SMKC, Pranjal Kamar, Rachana Phade, and Vivek Ji, and Pro Capital, Mohammed Faiz, and various other. Means whatever is good in some of the other platforms, I take those. But my main inspiration was SMKC channel. Yeah. So thank you guys. Hope you like the video.